Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video continues the topic with more details, deeper points and practical insights to complete the full explanation. For a basic batch, you will want glutinous sticky rice, also called sweet rice. It turns chewy and clings together, which regular long grain rice cannot do. Coconut milk. Use full-fat canned coconut milk for a thick, creamy sauce that soaks into the rice. Sugar. White sugar keeps the flavor clean and lets the mango shine. Salt. Just a pinch to balance the sweetness and boost the coconut flavor. Ripe yellow mangoes. Any sweet, non-stringy type works, such as Ataulfo, Champagne, or Kent. They should be soft to the touch but not mushy. Optional toppings. Toasted sesame seeds, toasted mung beans, or shredded toasted coconut for crunch. Glutinous rice is not the same as sushi rice or jasmine rice. It has more starch, so it turns sticky and slightly stretchy when cooked. If you cannot find fresh mango where you live, use the ripest mangoes you can, or good quality frozen slices thawed gently. Simple step-by-step method for making mango sticky rice. Soak the rice. Rinse the glutinous rice several times until the water runs clear. Soak it in plenty of water for at least 3 to 4 hours, or overnight if you can. This helps the grains cook evenly. Cook the sticky rice. Drain the soaked rice. Steam it in a rice cooker with a sticky rice setting, a steamer basket, or a lined colander over simmering water. Cook until the grains are tender and sticky, not hard in the middle. Make the coconut sauce. In a small pot, gently warm coconut milk with sugar and a pinch of salt. Stir until the sugar melts. Do not let it boil hard, or the fat can split. Mix the rice and coconut milk. While the rice is still hot, place it in a bowl. Pour most of the warm coconut mixture over it, saving a little for topping. Stir, then cover and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes so the rice can drink in the sauce. Slice the mangoes. Peel the mango, cut the flesh away from the pit, and slice it into neat pieces. Plate and serve. Spoon a mound of coconut sticky rice onto each plate. Add sliced mango on the side, drizzle with the reserved coconut sauce, and finish with a sprinkle of toasted seeds or beans if you like. Tips, variations, and how to serve mango sticky rice like a pro. Once you know the basics, you can think about the best way to serve mango sticky rice in simple flavor twists that still feel true to the dish. Small changes can make it fit your taste and kitchen. How to choose ripe mangoes and serve mango sticky rice. Good mango means good dessert. Look for fruit that feels slightly soft when you press it, like a ripe peach. Color can help, but smell and touch are better guides. A sweet scent near the stem is a good sign. For serving, keep the rice warm and the mango cool or at room temperature. This temperature contrast makes each bite more interesting. Scoop a small dome of rice, fan the mango slices next to it, then add a spoon of coconut sauce on top. Eat it the same day you make it, the texture is best fresh. If you must store leftovers, keep the rice and mango in separate containers in the fridge and reheat the rice gently. That completes the second part of the content. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.